Baby, it's so cold. How you get so froze? How you get them clothes?
Alright, you already know what it is. It's your boy Nico Freako, aka Nico Freako Gaming, and today we're doing a daily wave routine. All you need is 4 items: brush, do-rag, conditioner or pomade, and oil. Alright, so first what you want to do, I wake up, for me to take my do-rag off from being ragged off last night. I just got out the shower, so I brush my shit into the direction, the desired direction I really want. It's not really there yet. My shit already nice and warm and a little bit moist. I just got out the shower, so my pores is open, my hair is soft, it's ready to be laid. So what you want to do next is, I grab my Wave Builder pomade. You can use whatever pomade you want, any conditioner. Then, I got my rose oil. First, what I want to do, I already got my hairbrush. All you need is one little scoop, one silver dollar size amount, put in your finger. Then you just put it in the pattern that you want your waves in. You don't really need that much because you don't want too much product build up in your head. I'll find my crown, work that around. I don't got my mirror today, so you can't really see, but you work it into your waves smoothly. Then I'll brush 5 times each side. But you know, brush that down, slick it down. You already see some type of little ripples coming in. And what I do is I grab my oil. This is rosehip oil. I got this from Manhattan Beauty. You can see that? I got this from Manhattan Beauty. Normally I dip my finger in it, press down on the front, dip my finger, press down in the back. That's all you really need. Work it evenly this way, work it that way. Oil is gonna lock in your pomade and it's gonna keep your hair shiny and healthy while your hair is laid down in a do-rag. So now you just wanna get into an intense brush session. Normally I do 50 each side just to keep it going. But we're gonna do it short for the video, so we're gonna do like 20. Alright, now that we're back, keep in mind that I use a medium soft brush, not hard, because the hard ones will pull on your curly hair and make it straight. The soft ones will keep the definition in there, keep the waves going. So I got a medium soft because my hair texture. Make sure you get a curved one, so it get a curve on your head instead of going straight, and then you feel me, it's a curve on your head and go with the waves. Alright, so now that you got your pomade in, and then you lock it in with your oils. Next you want to rag up. It's that easy. My do-rag dusty as hell, dirty as hell, it's ripped. I only brought one do-rag, I ain't bring my velvet one. I'm in a hotel right now. It was lit last night, so I brought whatever I could just to make sure my waves was good. I ain't mean around that. Just always slide it in from the back or the side, and you come up with your waves. Never go against it. Take your 2 strings. Anybody put them on anywhere you want. I go like this. Bow. Tighten in the back. Bong. Grab it like this. Bong. Tight in the back. Bong. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not seeing nobody today. It's a Sunday, so I just swoopity swoop, and there you have it. It's like it never happened. Nobody like these tides already back out, so take it, swoopity swoop, doopity doopity doop. Take it, then you take the 2 ties, 2 corners, then you tie those. You feel me? Then you tuck it in. When you tuck it in the back and roll it, it gives that extra little hold that your waves need to stay in place, to give you that extra hold. My line never in the middle. There you go, man. How to maintain 360 waves, daily wave routine. You already know who it is, your boy Nico Freako Gaming. Make sure you watch my gaming videos and my daily wave videos starting the journey. We lit, man. Oh yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, follow, share, comment. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you get all my videos as soon as they drop. Make sure you're the first comment. I'm pinning comments. And we taking suggestions on videos. So hey, write any video that you want me to do in the comments. Tag your name in it. Make sure I show up on the video. Bling. Nico Freako Gaming, baby. Appreciate it.
Baby, it's so cold. How you get so froze? How you get them clothes?